Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your Lumvelle Wild Harvest herbal drop subscription. Okay, so basically when you purchase any drop on this platform lumvelle.com, they will activate subscription on your account. By default their subscription is activated. Okay, and if you forget to disable this option, they will activate subscription. So how you can cancel it? So first of all, you need to visit on the official website, that is like lumvelle.com. You can easily find the official website, and once you on the official website, there is a option. When you visit on the website, there is a option like this kind of options you will see, like where is a very top side, there is a icon, profile icon option. Okay, you need to tap on this button, and once you tap on this button, you need to enter your email ID, and once you enter your email ID, you need to hit this arrow button, and once you hit this arrow button, they will send you a code. You need to enter your code and you can log in into your account. Okay, and once you logged in into your account, you can find your subscription and you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, and if this method will not work for you, in this case what you have to do, you need to contact your credit card provider. Why I am saying this thing? Because in today's time there are so many brands, they are making these kind of scams, and you need to contact your credit card provider. You need to cancel your credit card, and this is the only last option to cancel your subscription. Okay, so once your credit card will ended, your subscription will automatically ended, and they are not going to charge on your account again and again. Okay, so when you get new card, your old card will expire and your subscription will ended. This is the last option for you. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.